Today is January 12th. It's about 11:15, 11:20 a.m. on a Wednesday morning, and I have a humongous tree that just fell in front of my house. Just happened to be standing out here. Heard a huge crackling noise, just happened to look up, and as I was looking up, this monstrous tree just came crashing down. Unbelievable. But on the bright side, next fall, I'll have no damn stinking leaves in front of my house to take care of. Once again, this is one huge massive tree that just came down. As you can see, this is one